Okay, we're going to hook up the anchor assembly to the acoustic release and mooring. So we have here is a 5/8 chain, galvanized. We just put it through the lengths and then secure it to this ring, and then we'll just close up the galvanized chain here with the shackles. You want to secure these shackles tight with your 1 1/8 wrenches, and then cotter pin it. And then here we have the mild steel ring with a stainless steel 12mm shackle. And then we want to connect your tail piece, 6-foot tail piece, to this shackle here. Tighten it and cotter pin it here. Then you take your other end of your tail piece, and this gets connected to your acoustic release on the bottom end here.
Victor, how do you tell the bottom end from the top end on the release?
The bottom end will have this grommet that will release the actual anchor.
Okay.
So it'll come with in the box with both shackles. Just undo the cotter pin, take it apart, connect it.
And those are 1/2 inch nuts. You need a 1/2 inch wrench.
No, these are 14mm.
Or 14mm, okay.
And then you want to secure these fairly tight. Not so tight where you're binding this so tight where you might crack it. So you want it secured fairly tight, but not extremely tight. And then put your cotter pin in there. And then on this end, you're going to do the same thing. On this end, exact same thing. Make sure your isolators are in there to isolate the two metals, and then that's how you do it. This is the end with the green floats.
And then on these galvanized shackles, since nobody's ever going to dive down there, you can tighten the hell out of those.
Yeah, those could be extremely tight and cotter pinned.
Yeah, but these need to, the release ones have to have a certain tightness because the release does have to release and flex a little bit.
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Victor.
You're welcome.